Hey guys, welcome back to Money Mondays with Melissa. So today I do have a guest speaker here with me. It's Rob Flower. Welcome, Rob.
Hey, Melissa.
Hi. He's one of my favorite loan officers to work with. One, because he's knowledgeable, and two, because he doesn't BS me. Anyway, Rob, so today we're going to talk about credit.
Okay.
In regards to credit, how does your credit affect your monthly payment?
Credit affects your monthly payments in a very positive and negative way. The better your scores are, the better the interest rate is. So, of course, the lower the interest rate, the lower the payment.
Okay. Now, how can people increase their credit scores? I get that question a lot from buyers that there's people that want to buy a house, but they want to work on their credit.
Absolutely. I get that all the time as well.
Yes.
Credit's a funny thing. The smallest tweak of your credit could shoot your scores up, or could bring them just as fast down.
Yes.
So there's a lot of niche ways to get the scores higher.
Okay.
Sometimes it's just a matter of raising the limit on a credit card.
Okay.
Sometimes it's just a matter of lowering the balance to maybe 20% on a credit card. So once we see it, we can determine usually the best route to go.
Do you actually recommend things to your buyers to increase on how they can get their credit higher?
We do.
Okay.
We do. Once it gets to a certain level, sometimes the buyers get a little bit fanatic about their scores. But once it hits a certain level, they've kind of plateaued on the positive side. So sometimes it's not needed, but sometimes it is.
Okay. And what kind of credit score do you need in order to get a loan?
Different programs allow for different scores, different programs, different banks. Right now, 580, believe it or not, could possibly get you a loan. But an important question that goes with that is not what's your credit score, it's why is your credit score? Okay. Why is your score what it is? Because even sometimes with good scores, a loan may not be obtainable. Or sometimes with lower scores, it's very obtainable. So it's always good to ask.
It's about your credit history,
it's about
not
your
just
history.
a score.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, what about those companies out there that are like those fix-it credit repair type things? What do you think about that?
I think some of them are pretty valid. They do a good job. I've heard nightmare stories, and I've seen scores go up, and I've seen scores come down from them. You have to be very careful on the advice they give you.
Okay.
I've had people tell me their companies have told them to stop paying.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Stop paying, and then they can reconsolidate their debt and work out payments. So be careful. Ask.
Okay. So now if somebody out there is interested in learning if they can get pre-approved, regardless of their credit scenario, then what's the best way for them to contact you?
Give me a call, 917-584-9292. My cell phone, always on.
Well, guys, that's today's Money Mondays with Melissa. Please hit likes. Feel free to comment. Hit subscribe to this YouTube channel. We will be having so many more videos coming up. I always love to hear what you guys would like to know more about. Check me out on Instagram @myrealtorlife. Check for me on YouTube as well. Like, share, comment, put it out there. Until next time, I'll see you guys on Money Mondays with Melissa.